So here we have the Mercedes-Benz SLK350 on a 55 plate, as you can see. This is a ULEZ compliant car. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of it, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside, you can see it's a two-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot area of the vehicle first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have those twin tailpipes. The roof is of course down at the moment, which means it's occupying half the boot space. We do have boot space underneath there. With the roof up, I'll show you how much space you have there. As you can see, you get loads of additional space with that roof up again. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in. And as I mentioned, we'll just run through a few of the controls on the inside of it from there. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the speedometer. We have a clock over there as well. On the right-hand side, the rev counter and fuel gauge. In the centre, you can see the total miles for this car. They are only 87,282. You can change information that's displayed there using buttons on the steering wheel should you wish to. At the bottom of that section, it will show you what gear this car is in. It's an automatic, so of course we are in park at the moment. We have stereo controls out on the steering wheel, and then over into the center is the stereo itself, where you'll access your CD player. You can access your radio. You can see medium wave, FM just there as well. We've got a little storage section just above that. Main volume for the stereo is just here, and we've got our CD player as well. Directly beneath that, we've got a heated driver seat with 3 different heat settings, and the same for the passenger side, which of course is particularly handy in a convertible. We can turn off the electronic stability program, which is essentially traction control. We have deadlocks to lock and unlock the car doors from the outside, and our hazard warning lights just there as well. Below that, we have got your dual zone climate control. You can adjust the passenger and driver temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed from here. You can turn your air conditioning on and off. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly, depending on the temperatures you set. We've got the ability to change the direction the air is being distributed in there as well. We have a storage tray you can open up. The gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, of course, and then controls for your electrically adjustable door mirrors, and most importantly, potentially the roof controls just here, which I'm going to show you next. Okay, so if we pull back on the roof button, the first thing that will happen is the windows will drop down ever so slightly so that the roof can release. You can see the tailgate opening in the background just there. The roof will then fold down into the top section of that tailgate. You'll then see the tailgate fold back down, and it's as quick as that. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Glenbourne's. We'd love to hear from you soon.